Some strategies to maximize profits in affiliate marketing. Taking a step into the technologically complex land of affiliate marketing for the very first time might feel a tad bit daunting. By keeping the helpful tips listed below in mind, you will soon find yourself marketing on par with some of the best affiliate marketers on the internet. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. If you are ever going to make money in the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you buy a domain name. While this may seem obvious, the novice may not know what affiliate advertising entails. You should try to get a domain name that fits your product perfectly. Text services are a great way to help affiliates earn commission. It is a new service, yet it is already being used by numerous affiliates to apprise their customers of their newest products and to promote affiliate offers. Do your research on the costs to start an affiliate marketing program. Many newcomers to the industry tend to forget that there are startup costs to this type of business. Keep in mind the setup, transaction fees, the contract minimums that you agree to, maintenance costs and development expenditures. Your affiliate website provides your income, so you have to be sure it works perfectly. You need to use a web hosting company with adequately equipped facilities with a guarantee of 99% uptime. Choose a hosting plan according to the traffic you expect. It is also wise to choose a hosting company who provides the customer service you need. So, after watching and applying the helpful tips listed above, you should feel a bit more at ease in the land of affiliate marketing. You have the tools and now it's time to use them. You should feel empowered and ready to begin your affiliate marketing journey to better promote your business and make larger profits. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.